Apricot Edge's Padlock USB 3.0 solid state drive by Apricot. Be the first to review this product. Sign up for price alerts. Apricot price and free standard delivery. In stock 120 GB, 480 GB, 240 GB, 1 TB, 2 TB. Product description: super tough, ultra compact, and SSD fast. IP56 certified against water and dust. Grit with a crush resistant aluminum enclosure and built-in USB 3.0 cable. The Aegis Padlock SSD. Software free, 100% hardware based, 256-bit AES XTS encrypted, onboard keyboard, pin authenticated, and ultra fast USB 3.1 data transfer speeds. All data is encrypted on the fly, and the pins and data remain encrypted while the drive is at rest. Completely across platform capabilities and OS agnostic, the Padlock SSD thrives with Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, and Chrome. It also thrives where software authenticated Chrome encrypted device can't even function, such as embedded system, machines without a keyboard, and equipment in possession of powered USB port and storage file system. All internal company is protected. System without a keyboard and equipment in possession of password USB port and storage file system. All internal componentry is protected from physical tampering with a layer of hardened epoxy, and its firewall is locked down to prevent any modifications, making it impervious to malware attacks such as bad USB. FIPS FIPS 142 Level 2 Inside meets the US government standards for information technology and computer security. NIST FIPS 140 is the cryptography standard program required by the US federal government for protection of sensitive data. The Aegis Padlock SSD's FIPS 142 validation covers 11 areas of its cryptographic security system, including physical security, cryptographic key management, and design integrity. The Aegis Padlock SSD's FP's 142 level 2 encryptions validations encompass both the Padlock SSD physical tamper resistance features as well as its identity based authentication, tested and validated by the National Institute of Standard and Technology for use by the federal government of the USA, Canada, and others. The Aegis Padlock SSD drive is based on Apricot's FP's 124 142 level 2 validate encryptions models is encoded by certificate slash 2835. The Padlock SSD security policy is located on the NIST site at the following link. The epoxy coated boundary includes all encryption functions and all critical security parameters such as pin storage, encryption, key generation, and storage, random number and seed generators, and all firmware storage. The FIPS model is complete encryption system, and all CSPs never leave the boundary and are never shared with the host system. By design, the HDD that stores the encrypted data is excluded from this boundary to both maximize affordability and product line flexibility in capacity and form factor offering. Aegis configurator compatible. Windows based app that quickly step up multiple devices. Stimulants create custom profiles and mass configure multiple devices is matter of seconds using the Aegis configurator. The configure and expand a number of devices use the powered Aegis configurator hub bundle. Separate admin and user mode. Admin device configurations mode and user access mode. The Aegis secure key support one independent admin and up to 4 user pin. The admin mode control the universal programmable setting